Starbrite's Non-Skid Deck Cleaner is one of our core products. This is very effective at removing dirt and grime from raised surfaces such as your non-skid on your gunnels or on your deck, but it's also very safe and effective on surfaces such as vinyls at removing all the dirt and scum. As you can see here, we've been out for a long day cruising and fishing. We have dirt on all the heavy traffic surfaces down in the gunnels. So basically the way that I like to use this product is we're going to go ahead and spray down the surfaces that we want to clean. We're just going to open the cap, spread it around, and then you're just going to give it a real light scrub just to spread the product around and make sure that you get it down in all the different areas. And the surfactants inside of this product are really what's going to do the work. So we're just going to let it sit there and soak on the surfaces for just a couple of minutes. Anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes dwell time basically, and you'll really see the dramatic results as this product lifts the dirt and debris off of the surface. That way we can flush it overboard. Okay, so we've allowed the non-skid deck cleaner to sit on the surface for about a minute now. As you can see, what the chelating agents do in the surfactants, they actually encapsulate all that dirt and grime and they float it up out of the pores of the gel coat or paint or vinyl surfaces. And now all that's left to do is just rinse the surfaces clean. As you can see there, all that dirt and grime is gone effortlessly. Really no heavy scrubbing required. Again, let the chemicals do the work for you. It's going to make your job of cleaning up after a day on the water that much easier.